Good morning, 8th class students. In the last class, part 1, we discussed about the maps and photographs, the differences between maps and photographs. Okay, so maps are the clear picture. Maps are nothing but maps are giving the clear information, that is mountains, plateaus and plains. The photo shows the places like houses, trees. Okay, and at the same time we shall discuss about in the last class maps down the edges. How Sumerians and Babylonians prepared the maps. Okay, and how the Greek geographers like Anaximander, Hectares of Meletius and Herodotus, they are prepared the world map. So in the last class we shall also discuss about how Ptolemy from Greek prepared the map with the help of latitudes and longitudes. Okay, and with the help of maps, how the Columbus, Vasco da Gama, they discovered the sea routes. Columbus discovered the sea route to America and Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India. So all these things we have discussed in the last class, part 1. So in this class we shall discuss about the next topic. That one is colonization, explorations, military use and map making. So this is the today's topic. Okay. So when European powers colonized the entire continents like North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Asia. So all of you know that the Europeans, okay, they are conquered whole world and they established their colonies in different parts. Okay, the continents like North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Asia also. Okay, so they needed to know about the places. So why they are established their colonies? Because to know about the places, to know about the climatic conditions, to know about the crops, to know about the mineral resources, and to know about the people. Okay, and that's why they sent the map makers to explore the different parts of the world and prepare maps. So that's why they sent, okay, map makers, okay, to explore the different parts of the world and prepare the maps. When the British established their power in India, they established a department called Survey of India. So all of you know that our country, India, was also ruled by the Britishers. Okay, the Britishers ruled our country near about 200 years. How many years? 200 years. So at the same time, when the Britishers come to India, when the Britishers established the power in India, so the Britishers also established a department. That department is called Survey of India. That department is called what? Survey of India. So here the survey is nothing but, okay, to research the country from one place to another place. Okay, so next one, James Randall. James Randall. Okay, he was also appointed the Surveyor General and he prepared the first survey based maps in India. So first time, okay, the James Randall, okay, so he was first appointed the Surveyor General of India. What? The Surveyor General of India, and he prepared the first survey based maps in India. So first time he surveyed the total India. Okay, and at the same time in the year 1802, Okay, in the year 1802, another surveyor, okay, his name was William Lambton. All of you know down. William Lambton. He also began to survey in the world from Chennai to Himalaya, south to north. That means south to north. In the north, Himalayas are there. In south, Chennai. That means Tamil Nadu. He surveyed the entire India. Who? William Lambton. In the year 1802. Okay. He surveyed Chennai to Himalayas. Okay. So after him, the survey was completed by Sir George Everest. So after the London. Okay. First, James Rannell came to India. Next, William Lambton. They also surveyed the India. So after that, okay, James Everest came to India and he completed the survey in India. Who? George Everest. No doubt. Okay. So lastly, the George Everest completed the survey of India. Okay. He measured the Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. So first time, okay, George Everest, he measured, okay, the highest peak in the world, that is Mount Everest. First time, the Mount Everest, okay, the highest peak in the world. First time he was measured. Okay, so that's why it was named in his name Mount Everest. So in his name, the mount name is Mount Everest. Okay, so in this way, our country was surveyed. Okay, so once again I am repeating: colonization, explorations, military use, and map making. When European powers colonized the entire countries, whenever the Europeans colonized the entire continents like North America, South America, Africa, Australia, and Asia. So all these continents were colonized by the Europeans. So they needed to know about the places, their climate, the different kinds of crops, different kinds of mineral resources, and about the people. So that's why first time they sent the map makers to explore the different parts of the world and prepare maps. So when the Britishers established their power in India, when the Britishers came to India, so they also established a department. That department is called Survey of India. That department is called what? Survey of India. Okay. First time in the year 1802, William Lambton. Okay. William Lambton. Okay. So first he surveyed from the Chennai to Himalayas. First William Lambton in the year 1802. First he surveyed from Chennai to Himalayas, from south to north. Okay. After him, the survey was completed by the George Everest. Okay. So first the survey of India. First came to James Rannell. Next came William Lambton. Okay. And lastly, this survey was completed by the George Everest. Who? George Everest. Okay. So, he measured, first time he measured the Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. Who measured? George Everest. Okay, so, that's why it was named in his name, the Mount Everest. That's why in his name, the Mount Everest was named. Okay, so this is all about the colonization, explorations, military use, and map mapping. Okay, all of you clear? So next topic is use of maps in our times. What? Use of maps in our time. Next topic. Okay. Use of maps in our time. As we saw, maps are used for the variety of purposes like trade, sailing, for conquest, for colonizing, and for fighting wars. Okay, so the use of maps. So maps are used for the different purposes. So what are they? For the purpose of trade, for the purpose of sailing, for the purpose of conquest to one country to another country, for the purpose of colonizing, and the purpose of fighting wars. So in this way, we have to use the maps. Okay. So in our time, maps are used for planning. So now today also we are using maps for the different purposes. So what are the purposes? For the planning. If you construct one house, we must need the plan. Okay. So in this way, we are using for planning. We are using for the development of the countries. So for the development of the countries, also we have to use the planning. Okay. So at the same time, we are also using the maps for the purpose of agricultural plan, for the purpose of development, for the purpose of to establish the new industries, for the purpose of to construct the roads. If you construct the roads, we must need the planning. Without planning, we can't construct the road. Without planning, we can't construct the big dams. Okay, so without the planning, we can't construct hospitals. So that's why we need the plan for the agricultural development. We need the plan to establish new industries, to construct the buildings, to construct the roads, to construct the hospitals, to construct the schools, to construct the tanks. Okay, so with the help of maps, okay, even now the cell phone towers also constructed. So today the cell phone towers. Okay, so if you construct the cell phone tower, we need the use of map. Okay, so this is all about the use of maps in our times. So once again I am repeating. So what is the use of maps in our time? As we saw, maps are used for a variety of purposes like trade, like sailing. Sailing means to discover the new sea routes. So if you move from one place to another place, we must need the map. So without map, we can't reach the places. Okay, and at the same time, for conquest, for colonizing, and for fighting wars. For this purpose, we use the maps. So now at present, in our times also, we are using maps for different kinds of planning. Okay, for the different kinds of development of the country, we are using the maps. So now, at present, we are also using the maps for the agricultural development, to construct new industries, to construct new buildings, to construct roads, to construct hospitals, to construct schools, to construct tanks. So all these we have to construct with the help of maps. So even cell phone towers also construct with the help of these maps. Okay, so this is all about the use of maps in our time. Okay, so all of you clear? So next one is reading thematic maps. Next topic, reading thematic maps. Next one. Next topic is reading thematic maps. Okay, so usually map focus on only one aspect, that is called thematic maps. Usually a map focus only one aspect. Such maps are called what? Thematic maps. So here examples are political map. Okay, next one is physical map. physical map. Land use map. Next one is what? Land use map. Next one is climatic maps. So here, reading climatic maps means usually a map focus only one aspect. So that is called thematic maps. So here one example is political map. So political map give only information about countries, country capitals, states, mandals, districts. Only these information only given by the only political map. So instead of political map, if you use the physical map, this information will be not available. If you want to see the country, if you want to see the mandal, if you want to see the district, if you want to see the states, if you want to see the capitals, if you use the physical map, then we can't get this political information. Okay, so if we get this information about mandals, if you get the information about districts, if you get the information of states, if you get the information of states, if you get the information of capitals, we have to use the political map only. Okay, all of you clear? Next one is physical map. So if we use the physical map gives the information about mountains, about rivers, about places only. That is the use of physical map. Next one is land use map. Okay, so the land used for pastures, the land used for raising different kinds of food crops, for residents, for schools, for shops. So that is we have to use the land use maps. Okay, and we use the different kinds of symbols, colors and patterns to show separately. At the same time, in the map, we use what? Different kinds of symbols. In the map, we have to, or we use what? Different kinds of symbols. Okay, different types of colors we are using, and different pattern to show the separately. Okay, so we are using symbols, we are using colors. Okay, we are using different patterns to show the separately in the map. Okay, so here some examples. Here some examples. Okay, some colors. Okay, are there in the map. First one is dark green. First one is dark green. Second one is light green. Second one is light green. Third one is white color. Third one is white color and blue color. All these are we are using in the maps. Okay, so dark green. First one is what? Dark green. This indicates the forest. Dark green color indicates what? Forest. So light green color indicates what? Grasslands. What? Grasslands. So the white color indicates different kinds of minerals. Okay, and blue color indicates seas and oceans. Sea and ocean. So these are the different colors we are used in the map to know. Okay, dark green forest, light green grassland, white color different kinds of minerals, blue color sea and ocean. Okay. So in this way we are using the colors. Okay. So next one also we are using the population map also. We are using what? population map. So with the help of population map, we can know the population in different states. What is the population of Bihar? What is the population of Uttar Pradesh? What is the population of Andhra Pradesh? What is the population of Telangana? Okay, and at the same time, there are so many countries are there. Okay, what is the population of United States of America? What is the population of China? Okay, so all this we can know with the help of population map. So in the world, the China is the first in population, and next India. Second place is India. So how can we know this? So these are we know with the help of population map. Okay. So next one is conventional symbols. In the map, some symbols are there. The symbols are known as what? Conventional symbols. Okay, after population map, some symbols are there. That symbols are called what? Conventional symbols. Okay, so for example, what is the conventional symbols of road? So this is the conventional symbols of road. Okay, what is the conventional symbol of tank? So this is the symbol of tank. Okay, and church. So all these are the symbols we can see on the map. So this is the symbol of road. This is the symbol of tank. This is the symbol of church. So these are called conventional symbols. What? Conventional symbols. Okay, all of you clear? And the next topic is contour lines. Next topic, what? Contour lines. Okay, next topic is contour lines. Okay, so contour lines are usually drawn at fixed intervals of height such as 20 meter, 50 meter and 100 meter. Okay, so the contour lines are usually drawn at a fixed interval. Okay, like 50 meter, 100 meter, 150 meter. Okay, this is 50 meter. This is 100 meter. This is 150 meter. Okay, so this is a fixed interval. This is a fixed interval. It gives an indications of the slope of the land, elevation of sea level, etc. So these contour lines, okay, so these contour lines give a indication. What is that indication? The slope of the land, the elevation of the land, and the elevation of the sea level. It gives an indication of the slope of the land, the elevation of sea level, etc. So these are called what? Contour lines. Okay. And the next one is atlas. The last one is what? Atlas. So atlas is nothing but the collection of maps. So here the atlas is nothing but this is a collection of maps usually arranged according to different themes. Okay. So in our school also have school atlas. Okay, so if you open one page by page wise, you can see the different types of countries: North America, South America, Africa, Asia. Okay, our country divided into 29 states. Okay, all these things we can see in the atlas. Okay, so here the atlas is nothing but the collection of maps, usually arranged according to different themes. Okay, so with the help of school atlas, you can know the information. So if you use the school atlas, then you can know about the information. So if you use the India map, okay, you can know the information of India. So if you use the North America, we have to know the information of North America. So if you use to the AP map, Andhra Pradesh map, then you can know about the information of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so this is all about the reading and analysis of maps. So students, go thoroughly textbooks. Okay, important lines you have to underline, and you have to also revise the notes. Okay, so if you have no materials, the materials are available in the school. Okay, inform your parents to purchase the study materials. Okay, and very soon we are conducting the online exams also. Okay, and for that online exam you have to be prepared. Okay, all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.